Hi everyone, so welcome to this session. Again, we are solving some question that was asked in GATE Computer Science. So this question was asked in set 2 paper, okay, like in GATE Computer Science set 2 paper in afternoon session. So one of my students shared this question and was asking to me that how, Dheeraj sir, what will be your approach, right? So whenever I teach in my classroom, I always discuss this kind of a problem in geometry. Okay. So since we have got one square, okay, you can see here, and there is some one rectangle that is PQRS, okay, that is tilted like this, okay, which is given, and they're asking to find out area of the PQRS, okay, and they have just given one side of the square that is 2 centimeter, okay, and you don't know the sides, what is the length of the sides of rectangular, okay, so many student might get confused how to find out, okay, how to tackle this kind of problem, okay. So my suggestion is, since you are from engineering background, okay, and you're going for data science paper, you're going for electronics paper, right? You guys are from computer science, electrical engineering, right? So many of you might have gone through trigonometry in their high school, or so trigonometry plays an important role in this kind of a situation whenever you are clueless, okay. जब आप इस क्वेश्चन को देखते हो तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि क्वेश्चन कैसे बनेगा। बहुत सारे लोग मुझे व्हाट्सएप में भी मैसेज किए थे और इसका सोल्यूशन मैंने दिया नहीं था। नाउ आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द सोल्यूशन, ओके। वांटेड टू गिव यू दैट टाइम, बट ठीक है, अभी मैं आपको दे रहा हूं। तो जब भी इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा जहां पर आपको क्लूलेस, आपको लग रहा है यहाँ पर क्लूलेस है, कैसे समझेंगे, तो आपको ये सोचना है कि ये PQRS का एरिया निकालने के लिए आपको ये साइड पता अगर हो जाए, इफ यू नो दिस साइड, if you know this side, okay, then you can easily evaluate the area. If you know this side and if you know this side, so you can multiply, okay, two sides to get the area, okay. So many of you might have left this question, okay. I think option was like 8, 4, 2, and D option was like something, I forgot that, 2 root 2, okay, like this kind of option, okay. So अगर आपको दो sides पता चल जाती हैं, then you can easily find out the area of the rectangle, okay. So remember, whenever this kind of problem will be given and you are clueless, okay, then you have to use the concept of trigonometry, right? So what knowledge that is required, please remember that. Let me tell you, let's say that this is a right angle triangle, okay. I hope this makes sense. Understand? Let us say that this is theta. Okay. So can you tell me which, let us say that this is ABC, triangle ABC, which one is you can say perpendicular side. So this is theta. Okay. So in front of this theta, right, this is going to be your perpendicular side. Okay. This is going to be a base and this will be hypotenuse, you can say. So this HBP stands for H matlab hypotenuse, B base, okay. Let me say that मान लो आपके पास ट्रायंगल ऐसा है, ठीक है, so this is theta. Now tell me PQRS, right? So which one is perpendicular? This is perpendicular height, okay. This is gonna be base and this is going to be side, you can say hypotenuse, right? So in this question also what you can do here is you can consider that this is theta, okay. Since we want to find the length of this side, that is PS. So what is this side, guys? Since this is a triangle, okay, this is a triangle. So what can be that side? That is nothing but a hypotenuse, right? And this is a base. You know this base. You know this base. ठीक है, आपको ये base पता है. If you know base, if you know angle, तो cosine theta will be what? Cosine theta. You can just write cosine theta. Okay, is going to be the base upon hypotenuse, that is PS. So what is PS, guys? PS is going to be 2 by cos theta. Okay, please remember this. Okay, now since it is theta, okay, so since it is a square, okay, so this angle is going to be what? 90 minus theta. Okay, because square will be always having the the angle between two sides has to be 90 degree, है ना। स्क्वायर के केस में क्या होता है, जो एंगल होता है दो साइड के बीच में हमेशा 90 डिग्री होता है। तो अगर कोई आपसे पूछता है कि व्हाट विल बी द एंगल ऑफ दिस, सो रेक्टेंगल के केस में भी टू साइड्स के बीच में जो एंगल होता है दैट इज 90. So this becomes theta only because 90 minus theta minus 90, that is theta. Now this is theta, and you know this side, if it is 2 centimeters, so it is also 2 centimeter from here to here. Okay, you know this, and there is a theta. Okay, you know base, right? This is going to be a base. ठीक है, ये आपका 90 डिग्री है. Okay, and what you want to compute this. You want to compute this. Okay, sorry, it is not a base now, remember that. ठीक है, ये बेस आपका अब नहीं है क्योंकि 90 ये है, ठीक है, तो ये आपका हाइपोटेन्यूज गिवन है. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ बेस, प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट. दिस टाइम यू हैव टू फाइंड PQ इज अ बेस हियर, राइट. ओके, दिस PQ इज अ बेस, राइट. ओके, so I can write here, so it becomes you have to find cos theta again. Cos theta is going to be the base is PQ upon the hypotenuse, that is 2, okay, 2 centimeter. So what is PQ now? PQ is gonna be 2 cos theta, right? Okay, please remember this point. So आपको याद रखना है, this 2 is nothing but what? This 2 is nothing but a hypotenuse. Okay, it is not a base. मैंने पहले बेस बोल दिया, प्लीज करेक्ट इट. ठीक है, तो अब आपको करना क्या है, नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. सो मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. ठीक है, सो एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल, right, I'm just going to multiply here. Area of PQRS is going to be, you just take it like PS into PQ. PS into PQ. In the exam you don't have to do all these things. You just write 2 by cosine theta into 2 cosine theta, so it becomes 4, okay, centimeter square. That is the answer for this question. Okay, so 4 has to be correct answer for this question. I hope this makes sense to all, right? So remember that if you have got this kind of triangle, right, और अगर आपको ये थीटा पता है, so this theta and this is going to be a perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, the longest side of the triangle, and this is going to be, okay, this is going to be your base. This is perpendicular, okay, and this is your hypotenuse. ठीक है, I hope this makes sense. Always there is a 90 degree. Okay, so front side of this 90 degree has to be hypotenuse. Okay, so using little bit of trigonometry you can solve this kind of problem. So जब भी आप clueless रहोगे, आपके एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, जब आप क्लूलेस हो, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा कैसे हम लेंथ ऑफ द साइड फाइंड करें, तो आप थोड़ा सा हाई स्कूल का ट्रिग्नोमेट्री जो है उसका एप्लीकेशन रिकॉल करके आंसर आप कर सकते हैं. So I think everybody might have understood this problem. So let me know in the comment box, okay, how was this solution. Thank you.